Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the batteries on your Samsung remote control. We need two AAA batteries, so AAA batteries, and turn it upside down. We need to slide this down this way, so just put your thumb here and slide it down like so. That comes off, and we have one battery here, so if you just get your nail in this top part, push down on the spring, that comes out. Down on the spring, that comes out, and then we need to put this one in with the negative side first, positive up the top, so like so. Negative side again first, positive up the top. You can see the little plus there, like that. Push down on the spring and drop it in, and then with this one, don't place it in from here, just rest it nearly home like so, and then just lock it in to place like that. So that is it there, like so. And that is it, your controller will be working again. Thanks for watching.